Hey, so are you ready to pass your Maryland permit test? Well, this is the Maryland road sign. Try to figure out how many that you can get right. There's 30 questions. Are you ready? Let's go. Which sign indicates you must not enter a road or an area? A, do not enter. B, one way. C, merge right. Or D, school zone. The correct answer is A, do not enter. A merging lane warning sign looks like what? A, two lines joining into one. B, arrows pointing in the opposite direction. C, no left turn. D, traffic light. The correct answer is A, two lines joining into one. What does a no U-turn sign look like? Is it A, U arrow with a red slash? Or is it B, yellow triangle? C, blue square? D, merging lane? The correct answer is A, U arrow with a red slash. What is the shape of a regulatory speed limit sign? Is it A, diamond? B, vertical rectangle? C, pentagon? Or D, octagon? The correct answer is B, a vertical rectangle. Which shape is used for a yield sign? Is it A, rectangle? B, triangle? C, circle? D, diamond? The correct answer is B, triangle. What color is typically used for evacuation route signs? A, blue. B, orange. C, brown. Or D, red? The correct answer is blue, emergency evacuation route. What does a red octagon shaped sign mean? A, stop. B, yield. C, no U-turn. D, speed limit 25. The correct answer is A, stop. What does a deer crossing sign mean? A, be alert for animals on the road. B, pets allowed. C, speed bump. D, picnic area. The correct answer is A, be alert for animals on the road. A circle that is red with a white horizontal line means what? A, railroad crossing. B, do not enter. C, detour. Or D, roundabout ahead. The correct answer is B, do not enter. Which shape are most regulatory signs? A, vertical rectangles. B, circles. C, squares. D, triangles. The correct answer is A, vertical rectangles. A truck going downhill icon warns drivers of A, steep downgrade ahead. B, truck zone. C, rest stop. D, construction site. The correct answer is A, steep downgrade ahead. A hospital nearby sign is what color? A, red. B, blue. C, green. D, orange. The correct answer is B, blue. What does a yellow sign with a black cross mean? A, intersection ahead. B, hospital. C, left turn only. D, construction zone. The correct answer is A, intersection ahead. What color are most highway guide signs? A, green. B, yellow. C, orange. Or D, white. The correct answer is A, green. Which sign would you find near a national park? A, green direction sign. B, brown guide sign. C, blue hospital sign. Or D, yellow caution sign. The correct answer is B, brown guide sign. What does a no parking sign usually mean? A, you may not park in the area shown. B, slow down. C, rest stop ahead. Or D, merge here. The correct answer is A, you may not park in the area shown. What type of sign helps you find your exit? A, guide sign. B, warning sign. C, regulatory sign. Or D, detour sign. The correct answer is A, guide sign. What does a blue road sign indicate? A, construction. B, tourist area. C, service such as gas or rest area. D, no stopping. The correct answer is C, services such as gas and or rest area. What sign gives directions to cities and towns? A, green rectangular sign. B, white circular sign. C, red warning signs. D, orange arrow signs. The correct answer is A, green rectangular signs. What does a sharp curve sign look like? A, a curved arrow and yellow diamond. B, green square. C, red circle. Or D, white rectangle. The correct answer is A, a curved arrow and a yellow diamond. Which color is commonly used for regulatory signs? A, white, black, or red. B, green. C, brown. D, blue. The correct answer is A, white, black, or red. What color are warning signs? A, yellow with black symbols. B, white. C, blue. D, green. The correct answer is A, yellow with black symbol. What does an orange diamond-shaped sign with a person holding a flag mean? A, flagger ahead. B, children playing. C, pedestrian zone. Or D, handicap crossing. The correct answer is A, flagger ahead. What does a mile marker sign show? A, distance from state line or start of a highway. B, speed limit. C, truck route. D, construction speed. The correct answer is A, the distance from the state line or highway. A brown sign with symbols usually indicate A, recreational or cultural interest area. B, emergency. C, railroad crossing. Or D, a school zone. The correct answer is A, recreational or cultural interest area. What does a windy arrow symbol indicate? A, windy road ahead. B, detour. C, right turn only. D, railroad crossing. The correct answer is A, windy road ahead. What does a slippery when wet sign warn about? A, road conditions may be slippery when met. B, flood zone. C, no shoulder. Or D, sharp turn. The correct answer is A, road conditions may be slippery when wet. Which color is used for motorist service signs? A, blue. B, green. C, white. D, brown. The correct answer is A, blue. What does a one-way sign indicate? A, traffic must flow in the direction of the arrow. B, merge left. C, speed zone. D, two-way traffic. The correct answer is A, traffic must flow in the direction of the arrow. What shape are most warning signs? A, diamond. B, circle. C, octagon. Or D, rectangle. The correct answer is A, diamond. Congratulations. Watch this over and over as well as our other permit questions, and you are going to be beyond successful when you go to take your permit exam. Until next time.